I love you, my sweetie. Me too, Mama.
Oh, the fridge is empty. We need to go shopping.
Bill, sweetheart, where are you?
Yes, Mom? I want to go shopping. Come with me. Mommy, is everything in the mall?
Yes, dear.
Oh! Don't let go of my hand, Bill. Don't go far, Bill. Okay, Mama.
Ooh, they have all kinds of cleaning products here. This is excellent.
Oh, Bill, where are you?
Oh, the place is very big, and everything is here.
Oh, Bill, I found you. I was so scared.
Oh, honey.
I'm here, Mom. Don't worry.
I love you, my sweetie.
Me too, Mama.